Hello students. So today we are going to discuss the differential equations PYQs from 2024 of JEE Main. And in this chapter, among the various forms, the most questions has been asked from the linear differential equation. So let's start the session. So here the first question, differential equation is 2y dy by dx plus 3. Let's try to solve this. So shifting this dy by dx terms on the left, which is 2y minus 5 times dy by dx is equal to minus 3. So it is based on variable separable. So this we can write as 2y minus 5 times dy is equal to minus 3 times dx. And now if we integrate on both the sides, so this is y square minus 5y equal to minus 3x plus c. The passing point is 0, 1. So x is 0 and y 1. So minus 4 is equal to c. That means the curve is y square minus 5y equal to minus 3x minus 4. Now they are saying this is a conic whose vertex. So first of all, it seems like it's a parabola. So let's do the completing square on the left hand side. That would be y square minus 5y. So adding square of 5 by 2, that is 25 by 4. And subtracting 25 by 4 minus 3x minus 4. So this we can rewrite as y minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 3x plus 25 by 4 minus 4. Okay, so this is y minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 3x and 25 minus 16 plus 9 by 4. So if you take minus 3 common, because in the parabola we have to make the coefficient of x as 1. So taking minus 3 common, we are left with x minus 3 divided by 4. So here the vertex we can see of this conic is 3 by 4 comma 5 by 2. So now we have to check in which of the options it is satisfying. So if we keep in the first option, 2 times x is 3 by 4 plus 3 times 5 by 2. This is equal to 3 plus 15, which is 18 by 2, which is 9. And here also 9. So yes, only option A is satisfying. Option A is the correct answer here. Let's move to the next question. So next question is solution of this curve of the differential equation. Solution curve of the given differential equation. So again, dy by dx, we have to let us solve this. So here, if I divide by cos, means multiply everywhere by secant y. So that would be secant square y into dy by dx plus 2x. So this will be sin y by cos y, which is tan y equal to x cube. Cos y is gone. So here, if we assume tan y as t, so secant square y into dy by dx is equal to dt. That means now my question is, this is now changed to dt by dx. So dt by dx plus 2x tan y is t equal to x cube. Now this is a linear differential equation. So here let's find the integrating factor. So integrating factor is e raised to the power integral of 2x dx. So that is e raised to the power x square. So now I can write the solution as, t into e power x square equal to whole integral x cube into e power x power 2 dx. So t was tan y, so this is tan y into e power x power 2 equal to. Now integrating this right hand side, we can assume here x square as something, let's say u. So if x square is u, then 2x dx is du. So here borrow one x from this x cube, means 1x combined with dx will give you du by 2. So that is du by 2. 1 by 2 du. And now the remaining is x square. And x square you have assumed as u into e power x square means again u. Now this is by parts. So 1 by 2. In the second function, in the by parts, we will assume the second function as exponential 1. So first integral second minus whole integral derivative first means u is 1. And integral of e power u 2 times will be e power u plus c. So this is tan y into e power x power 2 equal to e power u, you can take common, and u was x square. So e power x power 2 divided by 2 into u minus 1, and u is again x square. So x square minus 1 plus c. Now this is the solution. In the question they are asking for, first of all, 1 and 0. 1 comma 0 is the passing point. So 1 comma 0, let's just substitute. Y0 means tan y0, everything 0. And x1, 1 means uh, the passing point is, yeah, x1 by 0. So x1, x1, 1. Again, 1 minus 1 is 0 plus c. So c value we got as 0. Okay. So now my finally, the curve or the solution is tan y into e power x square equal to e power x square by 2 into x square minus 1 plus c is 0. This is cancelled. Now, they are asking for y of root 3 means x equal to root 3 you have to substitute. Substitute x equal to root 3. So tan y is equal to root 3 square is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So tan y 1 means y is pi by 4, which is your answer. So here the correct option is option D, pi by 4. Let's move to the next question. So next question here is this dy by dx, this is dy, this is right this. Now they are saying this is a differential equation which represents a circle passing through origin. So radius they are asking. Fine. Let us start solving this. So observing this differential equation, first we have a term of x, term of y, term of x, term of y. Here one constant. Here also this is entire thing is constant. Okay. So I can see this is beta x and this is beta y. So if we cross multiply this beta x with dy and this dx with beta y, so it seems like some exact differential may be formed. Let us try. Let's first cross multiply here. So this is beta x dy minus 2 alpha y dy minus beta gamma minus 4 alpha times dy. Actually, this entire term was constant. Okay. Equal to 2 plus alpha times x into dx minus beta y into dx plus 2 dx. All right. So what I was talking about is we will shift this beta x dy with this term. So shifting this here. So what we are going to have is beta x dy minus y dx. Okay. And the remaining things is 2 alpha y dy minus beta. Remaining things I am keeping as it is, nothing to change, equals to 2 plus alpha times x dx plus 2 dx. Now integrating overall, before integrating we can see this is exact differential in this part. This is it should be plus here after shifting on the left. Yes. So now this is exact differential means this is d of xy. So now integrating on both the sides, this will be beta times xy. I'm doing the integration partial. So this is remaining with xy term. Now here minus alpha times y square minus beta gamma minus 4 alpha times y equal to 2 plus alpha times x square by 2 plus 2x plus c. Okay, so this is the solution. Now what they are saying in the question is the solution represents a circle. So circle means, circle means there should not be any xy term. So here, this xy term should not be there means beta is 0. Okay. Also for a circle, the coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square provided all the terms are on the same side. Okay. So if we shift this term on the right hand side, so the coefficient of y square will be alpha and the coefficient of x square is 2 plus alpha divided by 2. So from here, this is 2 alpha equal to 2 plus alpha. That gives us alpha equals to 2. Okay, we got alpha as well. And one more information is provided in the question, that is passing through origin. So origin 0 comma 0 is the passing point. So if we put 0x and 0y, every term here, so this is the first term here is 0. If I put 0 0, this also 0. Because of this y, this entire thing is 0. Because of this x, this is 0, this x, this is 0. Means the value of c is 0. So finally, the curve is minus alpha y square, which is minus 2y square, minus times beta is 0. So minus 4 alpha minus 8y equal to alpha is 2. 2 plus 2, 4 by 2 is 2x square plus 2x plus c, which is 0. So finally, my equation is, let's shift everything on the right hand side as well as divide by 2. So x square plus y square plus x and plus 8y. So here minus 4y equal to 0 is the equation of the circle. Okay. Now next they are asking is radius of the circle. Fine. So first let's write the center of the circle. So center is, divide the coefficient of x by minus 2. So this is minus 1 by 2. Divide coefficient of y by minus 2. That is 2. So radius is under root of 1 by 4 plus 4. That gives root 17 divided by root 4 is 2. This is your radius, root 17 by 2. That is option D. Okay. So this was the answer. Moving to next question. Next question is, differential equation is given. So here let us see this x square plus 4. Here also I can see if I take 2 common, this will be 4. Also if I take y common, it will be x square plus 4 if I take x common. Okay, so we can write it as x square plus 4 whole square dy plus, here if I take 2xy common, so I am left with x square plus 4 times dx and minus 2 dx equal to 0. All right. So here we can write dy by dx as x square plus 4 whole square dy by dx plus 2x y x square plus 4 is equal to 2. So here we can divide throughout by the square of x plus x square plus 4. So this is now dy by dx plus 2xy divided by x square plus 4 equal to 2 divided by x square plus 4 whole square. So what we did is we have divided throughout by that term x square plus 4 whole square. Okay, so again you can see this is a linear differential equation in y. So let us start writing integrating factor. So integrating factor will be e raised to the power integral of 2x divided by x square plus 4 dx. So here if I take x square plus 4 as t, so this will be 2x dx equal to dt. So this integration now becomes e raised to the power integral dt by t, which is e raised to the power ln t, which is t, which is x square plus 4. So integrating factor is x square plus 4. So now the solution would be y into x square plus 4 is equal to whole integral x square plus 4 times 2 divided by x square plus 4 whole square dx. So 1 is cancelled and 1 by x square plus a square integral is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this is y times x square plus 4 is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay, so this 2 got cancelled first and the passing point is given, yes, 0 comma 0. So if I put 0 on the left because of this y, because of, yeah, this y, this everything will be 0 and tan inverse 0 is 0. So see, the value of constant here is 0, means the curve is y times x square plus 4 equal to tan inverse x by 2. All right, so they're asking is y of 2. Y of 2 means we have to put x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2. So y 4 plus 4 8 equal to tan inverse 2 by 2 is 1, which is pi by 4. So pi by 4 is a 32. So y value is pi by 32, which is option A, pi by 32. All right. So let's move to the next question. Next question is the solution of the differential equation. So here differential equation, later they have written this story maximum and minimum value of the function in 0 to pi by 3. Anyways, we will first try to find the solution of the differential equation. So here the differential equation is, so it's like reducible to something, but something we don't know. So first what we will do is we will put x plus y plus 2 as something t. So 1 plus dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Now my question reduces to t square equal to dy by dx, and dy by dx from here we can write as dt by dx minus 1. So this is now dt by dx is equal to t square plus 1. So now we can see that is variable separable. Very easily we can separate these variables. Okay, so done finally. So it was reducible to variable separable. And this was now again a simple question, 1 by tan inverse. This will be 1 tan inverse t equal to x plus c. Now the passing point they have given is x0, y minus 2. Put x0 here and y minus 2. So tan inverse, 1 second. So tan, okay, so t we have to substitute first of all. All right. So first let's substitute t. That means tan inverse t value is x plus y plus 2 is equal to x plus c. Now we can substitute x equal to 0 and y as minus 2. So x 0, y minus 2. So this is 0 and x again 0 plus c. So c we got as 0. Means my solution is tan inverse x plus y plus 2 is equal to x. All right. Then they are saying the maximum and minimum values of y function. So let's convert everything in terms of the value of y. So here I can write y as tan x minus x minus 2. This is y, my yx function y. And they're asking maximum minimum value of this function. So how to find maximum minimum? Now, somehow if I get to know that what kind of function it is, whether it is decreasing, increasing, or non-monotonic, let's check that first. So its derivative is already given in the question. Can you see? Yes. So this is dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 2 whole square. Whole square means positive. Positive means dy by dx. If derivative of a function is positive, means that function is increasing function. So definitely this y function is y is increasing. If it is increasing, then the minimum value we will get at 0 and maximum we will get at pi by 3. Okay, so it was simple here. That means they are saying maximum is alpha. Okay, so alpha we will get by putting pi by 3. Put pi by 3 here. So tan pi by 3 means root 3 minus pi by 3 minus 2. And beta is the minimum, means we have to put 0. 0 means we are just getting minus 2. Okay, further let's move to the question. They are asking all this value 3 alpha plus pi. So first find 3 alpha. So 3 alpha is 3 root 3 minus pi minus 6. This is 3 alpha. Now plus pi. So 3 alpha plus pi is 3 root 3 minus 6. And then it's a square. So 3 alpha plus pi whole square is 27 plus 36 minus 36 root 3. So this we can write as 63 minus 36 root 3. And they have said this is equal to gamma plus delta root 3. So gamma we got as 63 and delta we got as minus 36. And finally they are asking gamma plus delta. So gamma plus delta. Gamma plus delta will be 63 minus 36. So this is 27. So 27 is your final answer. So again, this question is, first of all, is a type of reducible to variable separable, and then we have to substitute these values. All right, moving to the next question. Next question, again, this is a differential equation. Let's read the question first. So question here, every term I can see is x. Here also every term is x. Means everything every x term I can shift on one side. All right, let's start solving now. So this I can rewrite as dy equal to 2x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. So here, this is a very big term, although it is now variable, we have separated. How to integrate this? Let's simplify this first. How to simplify? So here dy is equal to, what we can do is, if we see in the denominator first, x power 4, we can take x square common. Okay. What we can do is, we can write it as 2x cube plus this 3x square I can separate as, I can separate it as 2x square plus x square and plus 2x plus 2. Okay, now, and numerator we will see. Now focusing on denominator first. So here if I take x square common, remaining is x square plus 2x plus 2. Fine. And here plus x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay. So I think the job is about to done. So here you can take x square plus 2x plus 2 common. So remaining things will be x square plus 1. Now focusing on numerator, you can write this as 2x square is x square plus 2x, and 3 you can write 2 plus 1. Why we are writing like this? So that we can write it as x square plus 2x plus 2 separately and plus the remaining x square plus 1. So the benefit now we are going to have after writing like this is, now you can separate the denominators. Now if you will separate the denominator here, so dy will be, now separating the denominator on both the terms. So this is 1 by x square plus 1 and this is plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. And now we can integrate on both the sides. So y equal to, this is tan inverse x, and this 2 you can write as, this can be written as actually x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. And this term is actually x plus 1 whole square plus 1. So can you see again, this is, we can write it in terms of tan inverse. It's integration. So it is now tan inverse x plus 1 plus c. This is your integration. Okay, let us see what other things are given. So other things is, when x equal to minus 1, y is minus pi by 4. All right. So y is minus pi by 4 when x is minus 1. So tan inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 4. And plus tan inverse minus 1 plus 1 means tan inverse is 0, which is 0. So the value of c we are getting is 0. Okay, c0 means the curve is y equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus 1. C value is 0. Now they are asking for y of 0. Put x equal to 0. X equal to 0 will be y equal to tan inverse 0 is 0 plus tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So y is pi by 4. So your answer is y equal to pi by 4. That is option D is correct one. Okay, so here the question was of variable separable. Okay, fine. Moving to the next question. Next question is this. This is divided by. So let us see the question. Dx by dy, dx divided by dy. So I can write it as dx by dy equal to, x is only involved here in one term. So let's separate that. That means x divided by y plus the remaining 1 minus y square by y. And shifting this x by y on the left hand side, this is dx by dy minus x by y equal to 1 minus y square by y. So what is this? This is a linear differential equation in x. Okay, so let's find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e raised to the power integral minus 1 by y dy, that is e raised to the power minus ln y. So which is 1 by y. That means we can write the solution as x into 1 by y equal to whole integral 1 minus y square by y into 1 by y dy. So this is x by y equal to integral 1 minus y square divided by y square dy. So that is x by y equal to integral 1 by y square minus 1 time into dy. So that is x by y equal to 1 by y square is integral is minus 1 by y. This is minus y plus c. Now this is the solution, and x of 1 is equal to 1. So when we put y equal to 1, x is 1. So that means 1 equal to minus 1 plus c. So c equal to 3. That means the solution is x by y equal to minus 1 by y minus y plus 3. Now they are asking 5 into x of 2. X of 2 means you have to put y equal to 2. This is put y equal to 2 and find, they are asking for the value of x, and then we have to multiply by 5. So put y equal to 2. So here substituting y equal to 2, minus 1 by 2 minus 2 plus 3. So that is x by 2 equal to 1 by 2, that is x equal to 1. So 5 times x of 2 will be equal to 5 into 1, that is 5. So answer is 5. All right. Moving to the next question. The next question is here differential equation. So here this is divided by, and here divided by, and here divided by. Fine. So here this question, this is a differential equation, and how to start? So I can see this x plus y is repeated here. Now let's start by putting x plus y equal to t. Let's see if we can reduce it to something. So differentiating this 1 plus dy by dx equal to dt by dx. So now my question is dy by dx means dt by dx minus 1 equal to 2x. This is t cube minus xt minus 1. So minus 1 cancelled. And now this dt by dx is equal to 2xt cube minus xt. What should be done here? 2xt cube minus xt. One thing we can do here is dt by dx, and this xt term if we shift on the left, so plus xt equal to 2xt cube. All right. So here if we divide by t cube throughout, let's divide by t cube throughout. So that is 1 by t cube dt by dx plus x by t square equal to 2x. Now can you see what you can see? Derivative of 1 by t square is something in terms of 1 by t cube. So that will be beneficial here. All right. So substituting 1 by t square as u. So its derivative is minus 2 by t cube dt by dx equal to du by dx. Now I think you can relate why we have assumed like this. So this makes this question 1 by t cube dt by dx will be minus 1 by 2 du by dx plus x times u equal to 2x. Now multiplying throughout by minus 2. So du by dx minus 2x u equal to minus 4x. Now this is a linear differential equation. So here integrating factor would be, integrating factor is e power integral minus 2x dx. So that is e raised to the power minus x square. Fine. Let us try to write the solution. So solution would be u into e power minus x square equal to whole integral minus 4x into e power x minus x square dx. Now we have to integrate this, and u is What we have assumed u? U we have assumed as here 1 by t square. So this is e power minus x square by 1 by t square equal to this integral. What we should do with this integral? So x square, which is a whose derivative is something in terms of x. So here if I substitute this minus x square as let's say z. So minus 2x dx is dz. So now this integral will be reduced to minus 2x dx. So 2 is remaining everything is dz and is left with e power z. Very simple this is. So this is now e power minus x square divided by t square. T was x plus y. So x plus y square equal to 2 integration of e power z will be e power z plus c is the solution. Now let's put back the values. So this is e power minus x square by x plus y whole square equal to 2 e power z. Z means minus x square plus c. So here we can multiply throughout by e power x square so that this equation will be simplified a bit. So 1 by x plus y whole square is equal to 2 plus c into e power x square. Okay, fine. Let's try to find the constant value. So here y of 0 is given as 1. Means put x equal to 0, y will be 1. Put x equal to 0. x0, y1, x0. So this is 1 equals to 2 plus x0 plus c. So c is 1 minus 2 minus 1. So that means this curve solution is x plus y whole square is equal to 2 minus e power x square. Fine. Now in the question they are asking for, okay, something like this means first of all y of 1 by root 2 we should find out. So y of 1 by root 2 means we have to put x is equal to 1 by root 2. Put x equal to 1 by root 2 here first. Putting x equal to 1 by root 2. This is now 1 divided by 1 by root 2 plus y whole square is equal to 2 minus e power. 1 by root 2 square will be 1 by 2. Okay. Next they were asking for same thing means 1 by root 2 plus y whole square, which already we have here. So what we should do is just shift the terms. So 1 by root 2 plus y whole square we can write as 1 by 2 minus root e. And this is your answer. 1 by 2 minus root e. That is option D. So again, we can see this is a reducible to linear form. Fine. Next question. So next question here is, so here secant x is 1 by cos x. So 1 by cos x dy, and remaining everything if I shift on the right hand side would be 2 times x minus 1 times tan x and plus x times x minus 2 dx. Cos x we can shift on the other side. Every terms in terms with respect to cos is on the right hand side here. So that is dy equal to 2 times x minus 1 sin x and plus this will be x square minus 2x times cos x, and this entire thing is dx. All right. So here one thing I can observe is the derivative of x square minus 2x will be 2x minus 2. And the same thing is written here, 2x minus 2. So what we can do is start integrating both the sides. So this is y equal to integral of first one, that is 2x minus 2 times sin x. Let it be like this. And start integrating the second portion. Second portion, there is one algebraic term. This is the algebraic term. And this is trigonometric term. So we have to start integrating by parts. And the first function would be algebraic one. Second function will be trigonometric one. So let's integrate this. So first integral second is sine minus whole integral derivative of first integral of second integral of secant sin x dx. Okay, now can you see the magic? The magic is this term is getting cancelled with this term. So basically, we got the solution, which is y equal to x square minus 2x times sine x plus c. Yes, that is the solution. And now they have given this passing point x0, y2. x0. x0 means 0, y is 2 means c equal to 2. So solution is y equal to x square minus 2x into sine x plus 2. And next they are asking for y of 2. Means x equal to 2 we have to substitute. Put x equal to 2. So putting x equal to 2 here, y will be 4 minus 4, 0. 0 plus 2. So y equals to, we are getting as 2. Put 2, 4 minus 4, yeah, 0. That is plus 2 we are getting. Y equals to 2. All right. So which is option A is the correct answer. Next question. Next question is this differential equation. So first of all, whenever you find the differential equation written in terms of fx, f dash x, convert properly means put the value fx as y and f dash x as dy by dx so that it is easily visible. So y sine 2x plus sine x minus 1 plus cos square x dy by dx equal to 0. Now it is clearly visible and we can shift this dy by dx on another side. So 1 plus cos square x into dy by dx is equal to, shift this y term also now. So that will be minus y sine 2x equal to sine x. So it is reducible to linear. Let's divide this throughout by 1 plus cos square x. So that would be dy by dx minus y times sine 2x divided by 1 plus cos square x equal to sine x divided by 1 plus cos square x. So now this is clearly a linear differential equation. Let us find the integrating factor here. So e power integral of minus sine 2x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. So derivative of 1 plus cos square will be 2 cos x and derivative of cos is minus sine. So it's minus sine 2x means this integral is e power ln 1 plus cos square x. So this is 1 plus cos square x. So integrating factor is 1 plus cos square. So now we are ready to write the solution, that is y into 1 plus cos square x is equal to whole integral sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into 1 plus cos square x. So that means we have y into 1 plus cos square x equal to integral of sine will be minus cos x plus c. Now the passing point is 0 comma 0. So put y0, x is 0, cos 0, 1 means c value is 1. So now my solution is y1 times 1 plus cos square x equal to minus cos x plus c value is 1. And then they're asking for f of pi by 2. F of pi by 2 means x we have to put pi by 2. Put x equal to pi by 2 here. So cos 90 is 0. 0 means y equal to 1. That is option A is the correct answer. So these were the questions from 2024 differential equations JEE Main exam. And you can see most of the questions we have solved using linear differential equation or reducible to linear differential equation. So while revising, focus on linear differential equations questions. So this was all about today's class. And next, we are going to move to next chapter in a similar way with the PYQ 2024. Okay, thank you. See you in the next one.